In this video, let's solve the following word problem involving ratio. We have Jenny, Kathy, and Fred sharing the cost of their coffee fund in the following ratio. Suppose that this particular month their coffee costs are $50. How are they going to divide up that $50? This ratio can be a little bit tricky to work with because we are working with fractions. So one possibility is we can check to see if all these will convert to nice decimal numbers. But I notice a 4/3, and that's going to be a repeating decimal number, so I'm going to suggest the following strategy instead. Let's find the LCM of the denominators of 2, 4, and 3. The lowest common multiple of these three numbers is 12. So what we're going to do to move forward is to multiply all three of these fractions by 12. When we multiply our first fraction by 12, we can cancel out a common factor of 2 to get 6 times 3, which is 18. In our second fraction, 12 has a factor of 4, so we can cancel those out to get 3 times 5 for 15. And in our third fraction, 12 has a factor of 3, leaving us with 4 times 4, or 16. This means that Jenny, Kathy, and Fred are actually sharing the cost of their fund in an 18 to 15 to 16 ratio. Now, adding up these three numbers, we get a total of 49 parts. So what we need to do is actually take our $50, divide it into 49 equal pieces, and then divvy up those pieces appropriately. When we take our $50 and we divide it into 49 pieces, we get around $1.02. I am going to take a couple extra of those decimal numbers here, just in case we need to do some rounding. Jenny's responsible for 18 of these equal-sized portions of $1.02. So when we multiply 1.0204 by 18, we get about $18.37. Kathy's responsible for 15 of these shares of $1.02. Multiplying that out, we get about $15.31. And finally, Fred's responsible for 16 of these portions. Multiplying that out, we get about $16.33. Now, you will probably notice that if we add up these three numbers, we do get $50.01, so we are a little bit off in our rounding, but this just means that the three of them are going to have 1 cent to carry over into the next month of coffee buying ability.